Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest gadgets that can truly upgrade your everyday life. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 9-inch CarPlay screen for car by GTVFS. A portable touchscreen device designed to bring both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to your vehicle without the hassle of wires. Right off the bat, the first thing that stands out is the display. Measuring 9 inches, this full HD touchscreen offers a wide, clear view of maps, calls, and music controls. That means navigation is more readable, your playlists are easier to manage, and overall, your driving experience becomes safer and more convenient. Whether you're following GPS directions or taking hands-free calls, the larger screen makes it easier to glance at important information without taking your eyes off the road for too long. One of the biggest advantages of this device is its wireless functionality. You can connect your smartphone to CarPlay or Android Auto without plugging in any cables. This not only reduces clutter in your car but also allows for seamless hands-free control. With voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, you can make calls, send messages, or navigate while keeping your focus on driving. The GTVFS CarPlay screen also comes equipped with GPS navigation and voice control, which means you don't have to rely on your phone's smaller screen or worry about fumbling with it while driving. The built-in navigation works smoothly, and voice commands make it easy to operate functions without distraction. Another feature that makes this device versatile is the mirror link option, allowing you to mirror your phone's display directly onto the screen. On top of that, the audio experience is flexible. You can choose from 4 different modes: FM transmission, aux, Bluetooth, or the built-in speaker. So whether your car has an older stereo system or a modern setup, this CarPlay screen adapts to deliver quality sound without any compromise. Installation is straightforward, which is perfect for those who aren't comfortable with complicated wiring. It comes with a suction cup base and connects via the cigarette lighter. Just attach it to your dashboard, plug it in, and you're ready to go. It's literally plug and play, transforming your car into a smarter, more connected vehicle within minutes. Overall, the GTVFS 9-inch CarPlay screen offers a combination of convenience, safety, and entertainment in one compact, portable device. It's an ideal upgrade for anyone looking to modernize their car without the cost and complexity of a full aftermarket stereo installation. From wireless connectivity to multiple audio options and a large, crisp display, this product aims to make your driving experience more enjoyable and connected. That wraps up our review for the GTVFS 9-inch CarPlay screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth gadget reviews and insights. See you in the next video.